Hello, creative souls. Welcome back to our vibrant design community. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a journey through the magical world of Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial, we'll be transforming the simple text, light, into a breathtaking 3D masterpiece that will not only enhance your design skills but also inspire your creativity. Are you ready to dive deep into the creative process? Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned designer looking to sharpen your skills, this step-by-step guide is packed with innovative techniques and valuable tips that will elevate your work to new heights. We'll start by exploring how to choose the perfect font and style for our text, focusing on how these choices can dramatically impact the overall feel of your design. Then, we'll apply a vibrant gradient overlay to bring depth and dimension, creating a captivating visual that draws the eye. As we progress, I'll show you how to add inner bevel effects, making our text leap off the canvas in a stunning 3D fashion. You'll also learn how to duplicate and rasterize text layers to unlock even more intricate design possibilities. Next, we'll dive into creating that eye-catching glow by applying radial blur, adding a dynamic element that makes our text truly shine. Finally, we'll explore blending modes, particularly the color dodge option, to achieve a polished, professional finish. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dazzling illuminated text design perfect for posters, social media graphics, or any creative project you can dream up. Plus, you'll walk away with newfound confidence in using Photoshop tools and techniques that will serve you well in all your future endeavors. Now, before we dive into the creative magic, I want to take a moment to remind you how much your support means to me. Every like, comment, and subscription helps us grow this amazing community of passionate creators. So if you enjoy the content, please consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Together, we can continue to inspire and uplift one another in our creative journeys. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly tutorials filled with fresh ideas and innovative techniques. Your engagement fuels my passion for creating, and I can't wait to share even more exciting projects with you in the future. Stay connected. I'd love for you to join our vibrant creative community. Follow me for daily design inspiration, exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and sneak peeks of upcoming tutorials. Let's share ideas, collaborate, and support each other on our creative journeys. Your insights and feedback are invaluable to me, so don't hesitate to reach out. I love hearing from you. Together, we can celebrate our progress, tackle challenges, and spark new ideas. Your engagement means the world to me, and I can't wait to connect with you more, share tips, and inspire one another to reach new heights in our artistic endeavors. Let's make this journey unforgettable. Follow along, and let's create something amazing together.